I've been pacing my paces, no kamikaze. I've been making my makers say what I'm offering. We've all had.
Hello my cakes family, it's your girl Kimmy Cakes. So I'm gonna get my nails done, my lashes done, my eyebrows I kinda did them already, so stay tuned for that. Also a little housekeeping, my new posting schedule is going to be Wednesday and Sunday at 6 p.m. So every Wednesday, every Sunday at 6 p.m. you can go on YouTube and you're gonna see a video from me. So remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow me on all socials at _kimberly.o_. And if you'd like to collaborate, it's workwithkimberlyc@gmail.com. All this is down in the description box. So enjoy the rest of the video. You guys must be familiar with this place. We're going to Talia. So my lash tech is ready for me. So this is the before. Just got done with my lashes and they are giving. Listen, my lash takes some sleep out the whole session. Just some snore and sleep. I'm tired. But they are giving, as always. My lash tech is Lashes by Talia. So I just requested an in-drive to go to my nail tech. I know I'm gonna have a long time there because it's minutes to 3 and she closes at 6, so you know, like everybody going rush to go there now. But yeah, love the lashes. I do them this thick, so when they drop out I get like an extra, so like when they drop out I get like an extra week out of them. Absolutely gorgeous. 8. So guys, I'm now at my nail tech. Most of the people are wait already, so you know what that means.
Banco Santander, total Murat and total Tangiers, got the clap to shot man, Robert San Square, not the Almina, Babdolas, Pantiers, my fancy hat, like Jonathan Chase, handicap, that's COLLABS, one cheer, come from the bank, Blanco, some stairs, cash the pack, accept and tap name, but shot the fact and the man that's waste. Big rubber, he got a pan and the man bad that bitch a one bad gal in our chop back, see that and not that gal get up from she's but I last cash. Senegal killer and crap gal see what back chop jazz bigger than sax man sicker than box time cheddar rat style bugger bada with the liquor baptized with a bathroom blacker than ties up paras and balls just swallow back balls that she pan for grab a house grab a yard room grab a top man's goes follow.
Oh, I got some new subscribers and comments. Love that. Let me see how many subscribers I'm at right now. Because when I posted the video I was at 685. I'm at 691. 691. The video isn't getting the traction that I wanted to get, but we'll put in the work nonetheless. That's the goal. Put in the work nonetheless. So at this segment of the vlog, I will be cleaning. Yes. So I got this in Family Dollar. Oh shit, my tear off the price, but it was $3. $3. Like things like that really make me want to live overseas because $3 will make your space look good. I didn't open it, so hopefully it's big enough. It's actually a throw, but I don't know, I like with throws on my bed. You get a little vibe. Spontaneous up the room. But we're gonna see. So I'm filming a TikTok. This I could come out way before this. Because I'm trying to plan my content 2 weeks in advance. So, yeah, it's not big. It's not big. So I'm gonna try and do a little accent piece with it. That's it for my bed. I wanted, honestly speaking, I wanted the throw to be a little bit longer, a little bit hangy. Normally my throws don't go that much up, but it's the vibe for now. I have the rest of the room to do, and I hope that I finish before 3 o'clock. It's at 1 o'clock now. Going to take on my most prized possession in my room, my stand, my luxury stand. I don't care if it's about somebody right over there, it is a luxury for the doll. So that's it for this segment of the vlog. I'm going to go ahead and have a shower. This is what day of the week, Thursday. I'm going to get pizza for the house and just done. That's chill. My feet are swollen, so I'm going to shower. I'm going to order the pizza first, go ahead and shower. I'm back from my run or hike, and I'm gonna go take a shower and study. So we're currently waiting on our persons that we're supposed to go to patchy with, but that was my fit, and when we're on our way, I'll take you guys back out.
Oh no. So many ways.
Hey guys, so it's a new day. My boyfriend and I are going to have a business lunch date, and I'm going to do some branded content for Brood Awakening. So I'm going to take you guys on the journey. Here are the vouchers. just a little update. We are at the insurance company to sort out some documents, and then we head to Brood Awakening. So I'll pick you guys up, and we're finally at Brood Awakening. Alright? Alright.